You want to start an online business? Hold on. Seriously, before you dive in, there's something you need to know. A lot of people jump in blindly, pouring their time and money into ideas that just fizzle out. And here's the kicker. Most of them quit. But why? What if I told you there's a major trap that can totally blindside you before you even get started? Imagine spending endless hours building a website or crafting perfect social media posts, only to realize you're targeting the wrong people. Ouch, right? I've seen it happen way too many times. And get this, there's actually a way to figure all this out before you waste your time. First, focus on your audience. Not just any audience, but the right one. Look, what you need is to really dig into what the people want. Research, surveys, whatever it takes. But instead, most people skip this step, thinking their idea is the best. Spoiler alert, it probably isn't. That's a hard pill to swallow, but it's the truth. Now here's where it gets good. Once you've found your niche, you can start creating content that resonates. But don't just throw out random posts and hope for the best. No, you need a strategy. Yes, that means planning. It sounds boring, but trust me, it pays off. You should be thinking, what will keep my audience engaged? What's going to hook them in? Oh, and before you think you'll just wing it, let me remind you, consistency is key. That's the secret sauce. People need to see your brand regularly for it to sink in. So, set up a content calendar and stick to it. This doesn't mean you can't have fun with it. Add your own flair. Let your personality shine. But wait, there's one more thing. You also need to measure your progress. Check your analytics and see what's working and what's flopping. Yeah, numbers can be boring, but they hold the secrets to your success. You'll be surprised what adjustments can do. So, are you ready to not waste your time? You've got this. I want to know, what's your main goal for your online business? Drop it in the comments. And remember, always research before you leap.